Hey guys, so let's go check out the second floor. So cool part is this used to be a door and that was a second floor balcony. Really cool. Crazy part, this here is a door. If you go into the outside of the building, you'll see where the doorknob was. And they just happened to close it up. So we're gonna work on that. So this here is also unlevel. We're gonna level this out. But it doesn't make sense how this is set up, because what is this? This is a bedroom, there's a closet there, there's a bathroom there, is it a living room, right? So what we're planning to do is just make downstairs the dining room, the kitchen, the living room, the formal, everything is there. And here, we're gonna make this the master bedroom. The closet's gonna be pushed out to here, and we're gonna make this the closet, and then we're gonna put the bedroom door over there, and that right there, we're gonna push, this is the bathroom, but it's too small. We're gonna push out the master to here, expand the size of the master bathroom. And what's really nice is the master has an outside patio. So right now, if you see right through there, the kind of like yellowish color building, so that house is 2,000 square feet and sold for 500,000. So do the one next door to it. This one is 4,000 square feet, and I'm gonna ask 650. So only 150,000 more, but double the size. I think it's a lot of value, and it's gonna be fully remodeled, new electric, new plumbing, new AC, new roof, new everything, new kitchen. So I think it's definitely gonna do well. Could I sell it for more than 650? It's possible. We'll see how much it's gonna cost to do it, because I'm also putting all new windows in. I'm putting all new windows in as well, so I wanna provide as much value as possible to the consumer, and I wanna give them the right thing. But we're gonna have to see how much it's gonna cost. So let's check out the other bedroom. It's another bedroom and bathroom with views of the backyard. And that's a brand new garage. They built it in 2017.
Shed too? You get the shed?
Yep. So I'm gonna actually move this out of here when we sell the house. I'll provide more space. So you got a nice sized closet, a little crawl space, and its own bathroom. So now we're going into the third bedroom. This is actually a closet in the hallway. This is the third bedroom. This is a really large bedroom as well, right? So one, that stack that's going up, this is here, the same little brick stock we were talking about. So we might open this up and just expose the brick to make it have like a really cool look, or we might rip it out. We don't know yet, but we'll see how it goes. The closet's here. I don't like how small it is because it could be a little bit bigger given how big the room is, but we'll figure something out with that as well. But what I am thinking is that there is no designated laundry on the second floor. And if you have a big house, people want the laundry on the second floor. They don't want to walk all the way down to the first floor to do their laundry. They'd rather just walk it across the hall. So we're thinking of actually closing this room off here, which is still a very large bedroom for a person to have, and then making this a bathroom that everybody could use, as well as maybe putting here a washer and dryer unit. So now you have a washer and dryer unit, you have a bathroom that everybody could use, and have this a little bit more open. So I think this is gonna add a lot of functionality to the house. Because right now, it's a big house, but it's a lot of just blah. It needs something to make it a home. And that's what we're gonna try to bring in.